Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Andre Angelosi Abulancia, grade 12 Fidelity, a STEM student, and our topic for today is all about kinematic equations. Kinematic equation is a subfield of physics developed in classical mechanics that describe the motion of points, bodies, and system of bodies without considering the forces that cause them to move. There are four kinematic equations which are related to displacement as d, velocity as v, time as t, and acceleration as a. So today, I decided to make a video to present a problem regarding kinematic equation. I rode my bike and traveled 2 kilometers and also record the exact time I consumed riding my bike. So basically, I have a distance and time to solve the missing kinematic principle, which is velocity. And now, we are computing what is the average speed or velocity. The given is 2000 meter or 2 kilometers and 153 seconds or 2 minutes and 33 seconds. We will use the formula v equals distance over time, and the equation of the solution would become v equals 2000 meter over time, which is 153 seconds. When we solve the equation, the average speed would be 13.07 meter per second. Another example is, my friend ran at a certain direction at 10 meter per second, increasing his velocity to 30 meter per second in 15 seconds. What is his acceleration? Now, we are about to compute the acceleration of my friend. At first, we should analyze the given, which are final velocity 30 meter per second, initial velocity 10 meter per second, and time, which is 15 seconds. To compute the acceleration, we must use the formula A equals final velocity minus initial velocity over time, and the solution would become A equals 30 meter per second minus 10 meter per second over time, which is 15 seconds, and the answer would become 1.33 meter per second squared. It's sad to say, but we're already out of time. I hope you learned something from today, and thank you for watching. Bye!